It is 2 a.m. in the morning. The world is silent, but your legs are screaming in pain, keeping you wide awake and feeling completely exhausted. You grab your leg as a sharp cramp tears through your muscles. This isn't just tiredness, it is a signal that your body is truly struggling. The pain is real and recurring. You feel helpless in the dark, wondering why your body seems to be failing you more and more every night. Look at your ankles at the end of the day. Those deep marks from your socks are clear signs of fluid retention and poor circulation below. When you press your skin and the indentation stays, your legs are telling you they are drowning in fluid that simply cannot find its way back. You watch others move with ease while your own legs feel like heavy blocks of lead, making every single step a monumental effort of your will. You think it is just age or perhaps a lack of calcium, but the truth is much deeper than that, hidden within your very own anatomy. We are taught to reach for a pill for every ache. We hope a tablet will fix the swelling or magically lower our rising blood sugar. But here is the hard truth. No pill in the world can mechanically pump blood from your feet all the way back up to your heart. Your heart is a master at sending blood down. Gravity does most of the work, letting the oxygen-rich life force flow easily to your lower toes. The real battle begins on the way up. Your blood must fight gravity for 5 feet, and without a strong pump, it simply gets stuck there. Welcome to Thrive After 40. Today, we are going to stop relying on temporary fixes and start mastering the powerful biology you already possess inside. I have seen so many people suffer needlessly because they were never told about their second heart. It is time to wake it up today. The medical system wants you dependent on prescriptions, but we want you to be the master of your own health and your own physical freedom. We are going to unlock a secret muscle that most fitness trainers ignore, yet it holds the key to your metabolic health and leg comfort. This is the journey to reclaiming your vitality. Let us dive deep into the science of the muscle that can change your life starting now. Modern life has forced us into chairs for hours on end. By sitting still, we have essentially put our most vital circulation pump into hibernation. When you look at your calf, you see the large outer muscle. Most people think this is the only muscle that matters for movement and power, but deep beneath lies the soleus. It is flat, powerful, and specifically designed to work for hours without ever getting tired or needing any rest. Medical experts call this the second heart because it contains the highest density of veins. It is your body's primary hydraulic return system for blood. Every time this muscle contracts, it acts like a high-pressure pump, squeezing blood and metabolic waste out of your ankles and back toward your heart. Think of it as a manual pump. Without the movement of the handle, the water stays at the bottom. Your blood stays in your feet. When the soleus is active, it clears out lactic acid and excess fluid. The swelling vanishes because the pump is finally doing its job correctly. This mechanical action ensures that gravity no longer wins the battle. Your circulation becomes efficient, vibrant, and incredibly powerful with every single rhythmic pulse. A groundbreaking study in 2022 revealed something even more shocking. This muscle is a metabolic powerhouse that functions differently than any other muscle. While other muscles use stored energy, the soleus pulls glucose and fats directly from your blood to fuel its constant and very efficient rhythmic contractions. This means you can burn blood sugar while sitting perfectly still. It is like having a furnace in your legs that consumes fat and sugar. Activating the soleus can lower your post-meal blood sugar levels by 50%. It is a natural, drug-free way to manage your metabolic health effortlessly. You are literally cleaning your blood with every movement. This is the secret to staying healthy, even if you have a sedentary office job nowadays. The heavy sensation in your legs begins to lift. The internal pipes are being flushed out, allowing your body to heal from the inside out. That burning, tired feeling is just waste products waiting to be moved. Once the pump starts, the waste disappears and the comfort finally returns. When your second heart is strong, your primary heart has less work to do. You are creating a state of total systemic harmony and health. Meet Miss Lan, a 55-year-old accountant. For years, she suffered from chronic leg swelling and blood sugar levels that were creeping into the danger zone. By the end of every workday, her legs felt like they were ready to burst. She tried everything, but nothing seemed to provide lasting relief. Her shoes would barely fit by 5 p.m. She felt like she was trapped in a body that was aging much faster than she actually was. Walking to her car was a chore, not a pleasure. She feared that her future would be spent in a wheelchair or dependent on heavy medications. Then she discovered the Soleus push-up. She began doing it secretly at her desk, just a few minutes every hour while she continued her work. No one noticed what she was doing. It required no sweat, no gym clothes, and no special equipment. Just a simple, consistent commitment to her health. Within days, she felt the difference. The heavy pressure started to fade. Her legs felt lighter, and her energy levels began to soar during the afternoon. 6 weeks later, Miss Lan is a different person. Her swelling is gone, and she actually dropped a shoe size because her feet are no longer puffy. Her blood sugar levels have stabilized at a healthy range. Her doctor was amazed, asking what miracle she had found. Her answer was simple: my Soleus. Now she can spend hours on her feet without a single worry. She has reclaimed her freedom and her joy, all thanks to her second heart. This isn't just a story. It is a biological reality that you can start today. Let us learn the exact ritual to activate your Soleus muscle. Let us perform the ritual together right now. Find a comfortable chair and sit with your back straight. This is about precision, not about speed. Ensure your knees are at a 90-degree angle. This specific position is crucial because it relaxes the outer calf and isolates the deep soleus muscle. Keep your feet flat. This is your starting point. You are now positioned to engage the most powerful metabolic pump in your entire lower body. Now, slowly lift your heels as high as they can go. Feel the weight of your body shifting onto the balls of your feet steadily. At the top, you will feel a deep contraction. This is the Soleus waking up, ready to push that blood back up to your waiting heart. Hold it for just 1 second. This brief pause maximizes the pressure in the veins, ensuring the pump is fully primed and working at its peak. Now let the heel drop back down. This release allows the veins to refill with fresh blood, ready for the very next powerful pumping cycle today. Repeat this motion: up, hold, and down. It should feel like a steady, relaxing pulse. You are now manually operating your own second heart pump. To take it to the next level, add some weight. A heavy book on your knees increases the load, forcing the soleus to burn even more sugar. This added resistance doubles the metabolic benefit. You are turning your sitting time into a powerful workout for your veins and your overall metabolic system. Can you feel the warmth? That is the sign of life returning to your tissues. Your blood is moving, your sugar is burning, and healing has begun. Here is your 5-day roadmap. Every 30 minutes you spend sitting, perform 50 quick reps. It takes less than 2 minutes to complete this simple set. Do this while watching television or reading. Make it a habit that requires no extra time from your day, just a change in how you sit. Drink a glass of warm water before you start. Hydration thins your blood, making it much easier for your soleus pump to move it efficiently upward. And most importantly, stop crossing your legs. This habit acts like a kink in a hose, blocking the very circulation you are trying to restore. You have the power to change how you feel. Your legs do not have to be a source of pain. They can be a source of strength. Imagine waking up without cramps and walking without heaviness. Imagine your doctor being shocked by your perfect blood sugar readings at your next checkup. I want to help you personally. To get a tailored plan for your specific needs, I need to know a little bit more about who you are. Please comment your age below right now. This helps me understand our community and create more content that fits your specific stage of life today. When you share your age and your struggle, you are not alone. We are building a community of people who choose to thrive after 40 together. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss our next deep dive into the secrets of your body's incredible and natural healing abilities. Share this video with someone you love who suffers from leg pain. Let us spread the knowledge of the second heart to everyone who needs it. You deserve to move with grace and live without pain. The ritual starts today, and your future self will thank you for this simple choice. Thank you for watching Thrive After 40. Stay strong, Stay active and remember that your best years are still ahead of you right now. We will see you in the next video. Until then, keep your second heart beating strong and enjoy the freedom of a pain-free life.